it is time to see how badly bent this blade set is. So I'm going to take the front cover off and we'll take a look at it. Not quite sure how this happened, but this is really bad. Every single one of those blades is bent forward. And you can just tell how bent the individual blades are. Just look right there. Those are not supposed to be bent like that. I think this one is the worst. Looks like the hub might even be bent, so yeah, this is going to take some work. I need to get another one out here as a reference point. I used the puller to get the blade forward on the shaft where it's supposed to be, and I brought that S23 out as well so we can use it as a reference point. Alright, here's a good point of reference. So as you can see, the hub and the arm coming off of it for the blade is supposed to be in line, and that is not the case over here, so I'm gonna have to start bending those. I went ahead and took the blade off completely. I just figured it's going to be easier to work on this. These hubs are not easy to bend. They're pretty thick metal, so I didn't want to do that with on the motor and possibly damage the bearings. Okay, I was able to bend the blades back themselves to get them to be pretty much how they're supposed to be. Now we just need to worry about the hub because they're still angled too far forward. What I've been doing is I set it on top of this log right here, put one hand on the hub to hold it, and then push down with another hand on here. And so far I have gotten them a little bit closer, actually quite a bit closer. Just gotta keep doing it, and then this thing should be good to go. Alright, the hub is the way it should be now. So now I have to do some more bending on the blades themselves and we should be good to go. And I'll put it on and we'll balance it properly. Alright, now I'm checking the pitch on the blade. I took the blade off this one and put it right next to it to make sure that it is correct. Looks like that one may need to be bent a little bit, and I think this one is going to need it too. The pitch is not steep enough. And just like that, we have another good runner. Shaking just a tiny bit, but it is running a lot smoother. This one does spin pretty fast on low compared to the other ones I have, but that's normal for this one, I guess. And yeah, everything is in line properly, so that's a good thing. I have to buy some more 3-in-1 oil. And I'll put some oil in this motor. I don't have any right now. Startup sound. Here's medium. And here's low. I did some more adjustments to the blades, and now it's running even smoother. So I'll go ahead and run it in just a minute here. I also got it hooked up to the kilowatt meter so we can see how many amps this motor draws. This one spins faster than the other S23 that I have. It's pretty much the same as this one, same color and everything. So I'm interested to see if this motor draws more amps than the other one does. So go ahead and start it up on high. Okay, we're at 2.24 on high, 159 watts, 0.59 power factor. There's medium, 1.45 amps and 107 watts, 0.61 power factor. There's the voltage. And let's go down to low. .1 amps and 84 watts, 0.63 power factor. I'll have to bring the other green S23 out at some point and do a comparison because of the difference in speeds. I'm very curious about that. I also got the pressure washer out so I can clean off the grills on several of these box fans today. So I'll do that later. It's a little early right now to be running a pressure washer. Okay, now it's time to take the grills off again and pressure wash them. Okay, I got the grills over here. Going to see if the pressure washer will start. I already bled all the air out of the hose, so shouldn't have any issues with that. Alright, it's just fired. I'll be right back. I would say that worked pretty well. Nice and clean now. Got some stuff from the grass on them, but the dust is all gone. So I'll do the finishing touches on these just with the regular hose. I got some other box fan grills that I want to wash now. I won't show those on video, I just wanted to show these. I'm going to go ahead and put some oil in the oil ports on this motor now. Because I got some more 3-in-1. I actually bought 2 bottles. I'm going to take some of this and put it in this bottle, which has the zoom spout thing on it, and I won't have to take any of the grills off. I ended up taking the front grill off just to make this easier. And we'll go ahead and put some oil in this oil port. Looks like it's taking quite a bit of oil. I'm going to turn it around and do the back one. I don't think I'm going to have to take the back grill off. Yeah, back one's right there. Should be easy. Yeah, it is. And I just dripped a whole bunch down the back of the motor. Hate it when that happens. Okay, I think we're good. That back bearing took a huge amount of oil. Like, I was just dumping it in there and it never overflowed, so that should help it quite a bit. And the front is done as well. I just used some alcohol wipes on the blades to clean the dust off of them, so they're looking better. I'm gonna start it up one more time for this video, and then we'll be done. I think I'm going to use this fan tonight, and the faster low speed will definitely be appreciated because it's very hot right now. Let's watch it spin down one more time. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put it in a better spot. The wind is kind of blowing against it right here. Let's put it like this. Very good spin down time.